Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to have to take a little bit of a different view for my haul, as today I am going to be sharing with you items that I have picked up to organize my craft room and my extra storage space for my crafting supplies. It's springtime and I suddenly felt a strong urge to get myself seriously organized. My craft room has been an absolute disaster, and it's gotten to the point where I don't even know what I have anymore, and I really want to just stop buying stuff unless it's absolutely necessary, like glue sticks and certain craft paints and whatnot. But I am going to try hard to limit myself to what I buy for crafting supplies. I think what I'll do is give myself a budget, a strict budget every month, and I have to stick to that. And once that budget's gone, it is gone for the month. All right, so the first thing I purchased were several totes from Walmart. Okay, so here are some more totes. I just have one here to show you. I bought a total of 4. I really liked the green lid, and I liked the handles, and these aren't too big, so they will be easy to manage. So the other thing I wanted to share is I am trying to go with things that are green, white, gray. I will put splashes of color in my space because I love color. But yeah, greens, I love green. So okay, so this is a larger item. This is the 3-drawer cart, but I won't actually be transforming this into a cart. I'm just going to leave it as is. This one's gray. They didn't have any white or green, so I purchased 2 of these. And then the other larger piece that I purchased, I will insert a picture. It is a 6-cube storage shelf. Okay, so now I am going to share storage containers and whatnot that I picked up from Dollarama. Dollarama is a Canadian dollar store, and they have great things for storage. It's very, very impressive, and you can get, the inexpensive quality, but they have good quality like this that you could pick up at Walmart or places like that. So I picked up 3 of these flat containers, and they've got a latching lid, and they will nest on top of each other as well. So this is another thing that Dollar Tree has. It is these are like refrigerator and freezer storage compartments, but I thought they would be great for other uses in the craft room. I haven't decided where I'm going to put these yet. I've got a few different ideas, so I picked up 6 of these. Okay, so I also purchased some Ziploc bags because these are always great to have in the craft room. They're the large. There's 12 in there. They're really nice and heavy duty. And then Dollarama also has shelf liner, and this is the marble. I got 6 rolls because I thought it would be good to have on hand in case I decide that I want to cover up a box or like an old counter surface or something. So I hit up their gardening aisle for some storage because right now they have lots of fabulous galvanized items. And they also have lots of baskets and whatnot. But these two items really caught my eye. I thought this would be great storage for like markers or paintbrushes. And it was $3.50. It came in different colors, but of course I am going for the green. And then they also had these fun little containers. They are twine, jute twine dispenser, and this was $2.50. It already comes with some twine, but I liked it because the lid has a hole in it, and then this just holds it in place. You could, I'm not sure if you could cut it on there or not, but I just thought this would be great and a fun thing to have in the craft room. Okay, so I purchased 2 galvanized buckets. These are really big. I thought they would be fantastic as garbage cans, and these are $4 each. So this was another thing that I found in the gardening section. It is a burlap square tote. And I thought what I would do with this is I'm going to try it out. I'll try it for storage. If it doesn't work out, I thought this would be great to tote any craft supplies that I'm using from my craft room and carry it to where the TV is. I thought I would get into crafting more when I'm sitting down and watching TV with the kids or whatnot. I have seen so many fabulous items being created, and everybody says they're doing them when they're sitting at the TV. So I'm going to give that a try. And to go along with that system, I purchased 2 of these trays. They're $3 each. And I thought that would be a great place to put my items in as I'm working on them. If that doesn't work, of course, I could use these different ways in my craft room. Okay, to go along with crafting by the TV, I purchased this lap table. This is awesome. They had so many different patterns. And again, it was only $4. So I also got these containers. There's no dimensions of these ones, or for these ones. They were $1.25 at Dollarama. And I thought these would be great to fit inside the drawers for little bits of lace or some ribbons or whatnot. I just find that things are falling over in the drawers and getting to be a big tangled mess. So stuff like this will be great to use inside the drawers. And I got 6 of those. And they didn't have the pretty green color that I wanted, but they did have this really, really nice teal color. So I thought that'll work nicely with the green that I've chosen to work with. Okay, so I also purchased these food storage containers. Same thing. I don't have the dimensions, but these ones were $1.25 and great for inside drawers. And they have a really nice snap lid. All these smaller containers will be great to store little pieces of bits for crafting inside drawers. So I have 3 of these ones, and if I like them, then I'll definitely go back and get more. So I also got these Plastico containers. These are really pretty. They've got the teal blue seal, but they also have like this leaf pattern, which I thought was just gorgeous. So how fun is that for a craft room, right? And they have the locking sides. You can have a better look at the lid. So pretty. These ones were pricier. These ones were $4, but it's very heavy duty, and I think because it's got the pattern on it and the locking lids. And like seriously, this is a pretty good container, so I just got a couple just for something fun, and they had different sizes, but I picked up these two. These were 1.57 liters, so if I like these, again, I can always get more. So yeah. Okay, so I also went to Home Depot because Walmart didn't have enough of the one storage container that I needed, but okay, so these are the other storage totes that I got from Home Depot. There's a total of 6. They're clear and they're about the same size as those ones that I got from Walmart. Okay, so we all know about the clear acrylic containers that Dollar Tree carries. I got 3 of the ones that have got the lid and the 3 compartments, and they can stack. These will be great for smaller pieces that I need to store in drawers. And then I also got these square ones that have got the lid, and again, they can stack on each other. Again, these will be for the inside of drawers for different embellishments as well. I also purchased these collapsible storage containers that'll fit inside my cube shelving. And then I purchased these bamboo mats, table mats. I'm going to actually cover the front of these storage containers, like on the front here, because I'm not actually a fan of these that much, but I didn't see any others anywhere else that I liked, so I thought, well, that would actually kind of make it look natural and rustic kind of, so I'll give that a whirl.